Run faster.
Ooh, wow, my armor break.
Don't worry, we have no.
Hey, Big Drill Man, break this.
Okay, your wish is my command.
You miss my fate.
Why don't you play Granny?
Boring.
My feet.
It's fresh.
Skibitis, open up.
Papa Drillman, come back.
I need to go.
Papa, no.
Stop.
Olam Olam Ima Israel.
Free Palestinian.
Oh no.
Mama.
Hand drill.
Ouch.
You're the one I need to kill. Freak that Kyler, I mean Steve.
A reference.
Flushy flush off.
You're next.
Nice.
Elite Clockman planned to trade her, though. They are traitor. You need to run.
We need to defeat Titan Drillman.
Sorry, Her.